Breaking news in the world of finance: compound interest is making people rich. According to recent studies, investors who start early and take advantage of compound interest can see returns of up to 10% per year. This is a critical opportunity for those looking to grow their wealth over time. With the right investment strategy, anyone can take advantage of compound interest. The key is to start early and be consistent. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and insights into the world of finance and investing. Our goal is to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your money. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content and updates. We'll be covering topics such as investment strategies, wealth creation, and personal finance. To understand the power of compound interest, we need to look at its history. The concept of compound interest has been around for centuries, with evidence of its use dating back to ancient civilizations. Over time, compound interest has become a critical component of modern finance, with banks and investors using it to grow their wealth. Today, compound interest is a key driver of economic growth and development. It's used in a variety of applications, from mortgages to credit cards. Now here's where it gets interesting: compound interest can be used to make you rich. By investing in a diversified portfolio and taking advantage of compound interest, you can see significant returns over time. For example, if you invest $1,000 per year for 10 years, earning an average annual return of 7%, you'll have approximately $13,000 after 10 years. But that's not all. If you continue to invest and earn the same return, you'll have over $100,000 after 20 years. This is the power of compound interest. But that's not all. Compound interest can also be used to pay off debt. By using the power of compound interest to your advantage, you can pay off high-interest loans and credit cards more quickly. For example, if you have a credit card balance of $2,000 with an interest rate of 18%, you'll pay approximately $360 in interest per year. But if you pay off the balance in 6 months, you'll save $180 in interest. This is a critical opportunity to save money and improve your financial situation. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the importance of starting early. When it comes to compound interest, time is money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you start investing at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have approximately $1 million by age 65. But if you start at age 35, you'll have only $500,000. This is a shocking difference, and it highlights the importance of starting early. To take advantage of compound interest, you need to have a solid investment strategy. This means diversifying your portfolio, investing for the long term, and avoiding high-interest debt. It's also critical to educate yourself on personal finance and investing. You can do this by reading books, taking online courses, and seeking the advice of a financial advisor. With the right strategy and knowledge, you can unlock the power of compound interest and achieve your financial goals. One of the best ways to take advantage of compound interest is to invest in a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax benefits that can help your money grow more quickly. For example, if you contribute $5,000 per year to a 401k and earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have approximately $1 million by age 65. This is a critical opportunity to save for retirement and achieve your long-term financial goals. So, what does this mean for you personally? It means that you have the power to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. By using compound interest to your advantage, you can pay off debt, build wealth, and secure your financial future. This is a critical opportunity, and it's urgent that you take action. Don't wait. Start investing and taking advantage of compound interest today. Looking to the future, experts predict that compound interest will continue to play a critical role in finance and investing. As technology advances and new investment opportunities emerge, it's likely that compound interest will become even more important. For example, the rise of cryptocurrency and AI-powered investing platforms is expected to drive growth and innovation in the finance industry. This is an exciting time, and it's critical that you stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. Thanks for watching our video on compound interest. We hope you learned something new and valuable. If you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll be covering more topics related to finance and investing. Don't forget to check out our other videos on topics such as cryptocurrency, AI-powered investing, and more. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments.